Hey yo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here already, my name is Celeste. I am Simple Celeste. The first thing I want to talk about today is that Black Lives Matter. In the description box below, there are going to be links to very important websites, different Instagram accounts I think you should look into, also Black businesses and their Instagram accounts as well. It's very important, and I think that we all should be doing our part every day that we can, whether it's speaking about it, posting about it, interacting differently, and calling out people on their racism. Mainly with you working on yourself to become a better person and be anti-racist. It's very important. You can donate to an organization that needs it. So I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to just donate whatever you can, whether it's $1, $5, $10. So an easy way to do that is to look up how to support Black Lives Matter, and then a bunch of stuff will pop up, obviously. So the one I clicked on is from communityjusticeexchange.org. It's called National Bail Fund Network, and it looks like this, and it offers you to pick between donating the Emergency Rapid Response Fund or a list of protest bail funds. So it gives you a list right here of the different states and which ones you can donate to. We're gonna go with Los Angeles Action Bail Fund, and it takes you to this. It's a link tree. I'm gonna click the top one, click here to donate. Here is the WP for Black Lives. Because I have donated to this before, my information is already there. It says automatically what you can choose to donate. Since I'm gonna do $5, we're gonna click another amount and we're gonna put $5. And then you're gonna click donate. Boom. We're just gonna add the tip. Hang on tight. Boom. Here's my receipt. So it says thank you for your donation of $6. How simple was that?
Oh my god! Wow!
I think that everyone can do this. I will also link this in the description box below. I just wanted to share that with you and hopefully get you to contribute to any of these bail funds, anything that needs our help. I'm not protesting like other people are, but I'm trying to do my best by learning and trying to be a better person every day, and also donating when I can. Hopefully I've inspired you to do that. Let's move on with the makeup look. So today I am still going to be continuing on with the Qeaux Beauty type thing. This is one of the 4 looks that I'm trying to do for you guys, so you guys can see how easy it is to complete a look with one of these glosses. I used a part of the Click collection. I hope you like this look and you try to recreate it yourself. With all that being said, here we go to the makeup look. Oh, there's a hair in my eye. So I'm just putting my base on, like my moisturizer and all that. Don't judge my eyebrows. I'm growing them out and they're kind of like sparse in some areas if you don't see that. Yeah, they're problematic. Sorry if I sound a little weird. My allergies are like crazy right now and I don't know how to control it because I took medicine and it's not helping. But using sunscreen because that's so important. I look so pale. Right, here we go. Okay, so first look out of all 4 looks that I want to do, I think I'm going to just stick with orange today, but I just want to promote this one palette that literally goes with like every gloss that is in this collection. So I have this Zodiac palette. It's very cute and pretty, has my nice fingerprints on it and stuff. It has like literally the perfect color selection for perfect color selection for like these type of looks. I'm just going to start off with my base color, which is Taurus right here. I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm using Morphe M513. I'm going to dab it in, take the extra off, and just go in my crease area. So you're just going to do like a windshield wiper motion. And I like looking down because I can see the curve of my eye where it's kind of like sunken in since I have like hooded eyes. So I do this to help me find the right way to put my base shadow. And just keep going in circular motions. Blend what you have already on the brush and on your lid so that it's diffused, and then you get something like that. So I'm going to take a pencil brush. This one is the Jaclyn Hill 38 pencil brush. I'm gonna take the same color and you're just gonna rub it underneath. Now I'm just gonna take this color right here. So I'm not gonna change brushes, the same brush. I have like the smallest amount. Don't put it at the end of your eye because you're gonna diffuse it anyway. So when you do put your shadow on the end, you wanna do it a little bit before the end of your eye, because if you're gonna just keep blending, you're gonna drag it out and then that's gonna be kind of like a mess. And taking the darker color, you're just gonna dab it right here. So once I got it all down, then I can kind of start bringing it out a little bit. Taking the M514, this is a little smaller, more pointed, fluffy brush. I'm going to take both Taurus and Virgo. So I'm just taking that right in the crease. I am just going to take with my finger the more orange color on top, Aries. You're just gonna put it in the center of your eye like that. Don't swipe, just pat. I'm just blending it out into the darker spot. I'm gonna take Leo on the same finger and you're gonna put it in the front portion of your eye. Kind of like a little sunset. Now you can take your blending brush that you had in the beginning and just run it together just so it kind of blends. You're gonna take the pencil brush that you had in the beginning, and with me, I think I'm going to take the orange Aries on the bottom portion of my lashes. I'm gonna put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna add my blush. I have this little palette that I got in my BoxyCharm box, but it has the perfect colors for this look. And I'm gonna take this more orange color. It's called Scorcher, and I'm gonna be using my ColourPop E14 brush. It's a stipple brush, and just pop it on my cheeks. I hate that this lighting makes everything so much more muted. I have to like put a lot to make it stand out. Oh, it stands out so much more on the side. I think it's just the lighting. So after that, I'm gonna put my highlighter on, and I have the ColourPop I Like Your Face palette. This is the one from the ColourPop, the Jaclyn Hill collection. It's Jaclyn Hill 09 brush. And I'm going to take this orange color right here, mixed in with this pink color. And I'm just gonna put that on the tops of my cheeks. Oh, and I'm doing this like weird little thing that I'm pretty sure a lot of girls are doing right now. But I take the blush and I kind of just like put it on like the tip of my nose because I feel like my nose is so bland. What? Ugh, you gotta be careful though because it can take off a lot of your makeup if you're not careful. I'm just gonna like wipe down like my highlighter brush, and I'm going to put like a pink color, the pink color inside, so like highlighting different areas because I'm very pale and those colors, the orange and pink, will literally stand out like a mother trucker. So I'm just gonna put it right here in the top of my forehead, you know, because we want that big ass forehead to pop out. And just put it a little bit on like my nose, just like a little bit. We'll highlight the tip of my nose and the bridge of my lip and then my chin. Oh, we're looking kind of cute, aren't we? I am going to line my lips with Oh Sis. I used this in my other video. I'm like a beautiful orange. I think it looks really nice. Let me know if you like it or not. Oh my god, I almost forgot highlighter on my brow.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
I'm gonna use this gold color right here. So I'm gonna go in on right here. I forgot brow gel. Who am I? I'm just not on my game today, but that's okay.
Okay.
We're just going with the flow. We're gonna also take that color and throw it in right here. You're done. I think we really pulled this off. This looks really good. I'm going to set my face with the ColourPop All-Star setting spray. she do we. You looking good now? You can officially not go out because we're in a pandemic.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
And boom, you're done. Looking like a model. You know what I'm saying? I had so much fun doing this. This was really easy, actually. It took a lot less time than I thought it would. If you do recreate this look, go ahead and tag me and Qeaux Beauty in it. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section and share it with anybody who's interested in makeup and Qeaux Beauty. I hope you have an amazing day. I'm still trying to get used to this, so not the best. Thanks for watching. Bye!